Something hit me today. Hit me pretty hard. It was very eye-opening. I don't know it all. Heck, I don't know hardly any of it. But what I do know is how to learn. How to learn from the right people. Listen, it's not about how much you know. It's about how much you can learn. And learning it from the right people is key. That's why I'm here. I'm here to help you. I'm not here to tell you I am the know-all, because Lord knows I'm not. But I am a student, I am a learner, and I have the desire and the hunger to help you while I'm helping myself. I've not arrived. I don't know if we ever really arrive. Not in this business world, but we can always be hungry and go after that snack. As my grandson says, you hungry? Let's make a snack. Love that guy on TikTok. All right, it's Patti Allred here in North Carolina. And I just want to help you. But most of all, I want you to choose happy. Love you.